What's up guys, if you're trying to retire your player in Madden 26 Superstar mode, there's one thing to know right away. The mode doesn't include a retire option. You won't find it anywhere because Superstar simply doesn't support player retirement. Now technically, you can retire a coach in franchise mode by going into options and selecting retire at the bottom of the menu, but that option does not exist in Superstar mode, so you can't officially retire your Superstar the same way. If you still want to end your career and remove your player, the only workaround is to delete the character. To do that, switch over to the character tab by pressing R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox. When this tab opens, look toward the bottom for swap character and select it. You will see all of your created players here. Highlight the one you want to remove, then press square on PlayStation or X on Xbox. That will bring up the delete option, so you can confirm and permanently remove that character. And if you want to start a new career after ending this one, just scroll down and create the new superstar you want. That's all for this one. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.